Hi all, today we are going to discuss about our another operator in JavaScript, that is comparison operator. We have the following comparison operators in JavaScript. First one, equal to, then equal value and equal type, not equal value or not equal type, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So we are going to examples. First one, equal to is just, this is assignment, just like this double assignment operator, that is equal to. Here we have one value x assigned 5, then we are going to compare with the 8. If you compare x with 8, then document dot get element by id using demo. Here we are going to display the result. Then what will be the result? Is 5 is equal to 8? No, so the result will be false. So run it. See, the result is false because 5 is not equal to 8. Now our another comparison operator, equal value and equal type. Here we have a variable x is equal to 5, then also we have this is equal value and equal type, x is equal to 5. This just we are going to combine with the value 5 with the 5, so it is, we know that it is true. So run it. See, the value is true. So if you put 8 instead of 5, it will be the wrong answer, that is false. Now another operator, not equal. See, here we are just going to compare whether the value is equal to the input value. Here we have given x as 5 as input, then we are comparing with 8. So we know that not equal 5 not equal to 8, so this result will be true. Yes, 5 not equal to 8, then result is true. Then our next comparison operator is not equal value or not equal type. Not equal value or not equal type. See, here we can use the double, this one, equal to operator with node. In the previous example we have equal operator, that is assignment operator. Here it will show the result whether 5 not equal to 5, then what will be the answer? See, false. That is the difference between equal and not equal value and a not equal comparison operator. There we get true answer, here we get a wrong answer. Now our another comparison operator is the following operators: greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So here we have the value x, we are going to compare with the first one, greater than, x greater than 5 greater than 8. Is it true? No, 5 less than 8, so it will show the result false. See, now we deal with our greater than or equal to, then run it. We know that it is not equal to 8, so result will be the same, false. Now we deal with less than, save. In this case it is true because 5 is less than 8, so refresh it, so the true result. Then one more thing, if you put less than or equal to, it is also true because 5 is less than 8. So this is about JavaScript comparison operator. Thank you.